Short phrases. Hello little children. Welcome to our literacy class. Today we are going to learn some short phrases. Let's begin. A short phrase is a group of 2 or 3 words. The words go together and tell us something nice and easy. Are you ready to read together? Let's go. Look at the pictures and say after me. Red hat, big bug, hot sun, fun run. Wow! Very good. Now let's meet some more friends. Small rat, wet mop, big log. Good job. Good job everyone. You're doing amazing. Look at these cute animals and things. Big dog, black pan, little hen, sad kid. Oh, now the kid is happy again. Last group coming. Ready? 10 pens, red rug, pet dog, wet cat. But she looks cute, right? Let us read again, fast and fun. Red hat, big bug, hot sun, fun run. Small rat, wet mop, big log, good job. Big dog, black pan, little hen, sad kid. 10 pens, red rug, pet dog, wet cat. Yay! You read so many short phrases. Practice reading them every day. See you in the next class. Thank you.